Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, where passion meets performance on two wheels. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a cruiser that blends comfort, performance, and modern design in a uniquely versatile package. Distinctive styling with Ergofit comfort. The 2025 Vulcan S retains its sleek, urban cruiser look with minimal changes to the overall design. Sharp lines, a low-slung frame, and a sport bike-inspired headlight give it a modern identity. One of its standout features remains the ERGO-FIT system, allowing riders to adjust the seat, foot pegs, and handlebars to match their height and riding style, a rare level of customization in the midweight cruiser class. Parallel twin power and smooth delivery. Powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine derived from the Ninja 650, the Vulcan S offers smooth, linear power delivery. The 2025 model fine-tunes the ECU mapping for better fuel efficiency and throttle response. Whether you're commuting in the city or taking longer weekend rides, the Vulcan delivers a confident and refined performance with just the right amount of punch. Lightweight handling and rider confidence. Thanks to its low center of gravity and sport bike-inspired frame, the Vulcan S handles better than most cruisers in its category. The 2025 update includes a slight suspension upgrade, enhancing comfort over rough roads without sacrificing handling. It's beginner-friendly yet satisfying for seasoned riders who appreciate agility along with cruiser comfort. Tech features and updates. The 2025 Vulcan S comes equipped with standard ABS, a gear position indicator, and an updated LCD instrument cluster. Kawasaki has added optional smartphone connectivity through Radiology the app, allowing riders to monitor bike data and plan routes, a nice addition for tech-savvy riders. Conclusion: balanced, bold, and ready to ride. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S continues to stand out as a cruiser that doesn't compromise. It offers sporty performance, rider-focused comfort, and everyday usability in a stylish package. Whether you're a new rider or a seasoned enthusiast, the Vulcan S remains one of the smartest choices in the middleweight cruiser segment. Thanks for watching Bike Zone Pro. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest motorcycle reviews and ride insights. See you in the next one.